Yes, please. Thank you.
My name is Irini. I live here for Maleme. I'm married with Manolis, and I feel happy because I live for the best island in the world. My store is from traditional products, Cretan traditional products. You can buy everything with olive oil, cheese, honey, spices, wines, raki products, natural cosmetics, and the best for now is beeswax cream. Beeswax you can use all the time for all the type skin for all the people, and is not expensive. It has olive oil, shea butter, and beeswax. Beeswax, and it has a mastiha from Chios Island. The
Tell me about
best
mastica.
Mastiha is
Mastica.
Greek products, and is this.
It's like a gum.
Yes. Is this fantastic product you can have for your sweet, for your cosmetics, for your stomach.
Thank you.
See you later. Thank you so much. It's very healthy and very good. Well, this design, okay, is an old house, Cretan old house. This house they had my grandfather, my grandmother, and our village is from Livadia. Livadia is near for the mountain, the higher mountain Psiloritis. Psiloritis is the higher mountain in Crete. Okay, there the house they have old house. They have this decor, of course, and all the villas in Crete. Okay, well, every house it has some barrels for wines. Okay, and everything they need for make the food, for flour, for sippers, for light for the night, because they not have electric, and not had some bag for, you know, it's traditional bag. They take the people and they have everything they need inside. Extra virgin olive oil, family olive oil, is acidity 0.2, and is very good. You can use for your salad, you can use for cooking, you can use for your breakfast. It's better use olive oil, and you not need some butter. You put for your bread, and some little oregano maybe, or maybe some marmalade. Bread, olive oil, marmalade, and you have the best breakfast. This with lemon olive oil. Lemon and olive oil is a nice mix for the liver. Works perfect the liver. It's good. You can drink every morning, and you can put for your salad or for your bread. for breakfast. And everywhere, like you have this olive oil, okay? It's more tasty. And this another olive oil, organic bio, 0.02, and it's very good, acidity 0.02, and it's very good olive oil. Of course, our olive oil you can use for all your food all the time, with spices from Crete, oregano, herbs, everything. We have a nice mix. We take fresh spices and fresh herbs with fresh olive oil, and we have this fantastic mix. And of course, and this mix is good for salad, is good for spaghetti, is good for fish, is good for meat, is good for everything. Fresh products, organic products is good for everything. And for all the people, and for the people, they need good original food, fresh food, no plastic food, okay? Thanks a lot. Well, this make my mother, okay? Is a young woman, and for our village, make all the young women make these products for the house, okay? Maybe use for the bed, or maybe use for children, for χαλί, πώς είναι το χαλί στα αγγλικά?
Like for the floor.
For the floor, yes,
Okay.
okay. Thanks. For the floor, and for the men.
So this is a multi-purpose rug. Like a rug for everything.
Yes, yes. And men take these products for the mountain and sleeping for this, because the mountain is very cold. And this is good because for winter is hot, and for summer is cold. It's nice. It's original. It's from Livadia, Melopotamos. That's it. Okay. Husband, mother and father. Mother and father, grandmother and grandfather.
So your husband's mom.
This is she is my husband, grandmother. Yes. And grandfather. We opened the store 2003. I and with my husband. Before us is here grandfather and grandmother and my husband. But 1941 come here to Germany and change the things and close the store and open again with my husband 2003. Tester.
Perfect.
Use beeswax and soap. Okay?
For me!
Yes,
Oh no! I feel badly.
Oh, no, it's okay. You try.
Hold on, let me just say something on my channel. Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to Global Travel with Petulia. So today is pretty much my last day in Crete, and I've been passing this amazing shop for about a week and a half, and I'm very guilty for just passing it by. So today I've decided to stop, only to meet this amazing person here who gave me some insights about her products, some of which she makes herself. So why not feature a small local business on my trip? So again, guys, welcome to Crete, the beautiful island in Greece. Thank you again.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Bye bye. Thanks a lot. See you next year. Come for Crete. Come for Cretan Corner. Thank you.